I realized in my video yesterday, I had my sun visor down and you couldn't really see nothing, so I'm gonna leave it like this and just squint really hard. I really need to get tint on my front windshield. School right now. I just gotta work. Went home, shower. Now I'm on my way to school. I finished school soon, so hopefully these days that when I get out of work, I can focus on something else, or just not have that school stress. I mean, school's not that stressful for me. I mean, it's more of a burden rather than stress. It's more of something like, damn, I gotta get up, like, damn, it's 6, I gotta go there every day, you know? It's not more so it's hard, it's just more so like I said, it's a burden. I gotta keep going to. Oh, I popped the pimple on my chin, I think. I tried adjusting my camera a little bit so I can like get like basically like a whole cockpit view rather than just being too low and just getting like the steering wheel, rather being too high and just getting, just the mirror. I'm trying to get like the whole everything. Y'all go watch the video I made yesterday. It was a POV drive to the car wash. This is my first black car, man. I thought it wasn't gonna be that bad, but man, black cars get dirty. Like, I'll wash it and it'll still be dusty. Honestly, I think I just need to start washing it myself. I don't think the machines at the car wash is doing too good. Yeah, they're not doing they don't clean it enough. Like, I'll wash it, it'll be clean, but it'll have like when it's, how do I say, after a couple hours, like if you like swipe your finger like that, it has like a coat of dust. I should make it. Damn, traffic. Oh, BMW. Oh, it's a wagon too. Hold on. You don't see a lot of those. I mean, they're here, but you don't see nobody really driving them like that. Mustang. I'm not a Mustang guy. I don't know. Actually, I take that back. I like Mustangs. I don't like 5.0s. I think 5.0s are just I think they're boring. I mean, don't get me wrong. It sounds nice and like, you get good. You could get good power out of it. But it's so boring. Like, I don't know. Some people will say the Q50 is boring. So, I don't know about you other guys that have Red Sports, but I don't really be pushing my, like, I push it here and there. I'm stuck, and hopefully nothing bad happens. Like, so much controversy on motors blowing up and stuff. I hope to stay away from that. I do not want my motor blowing up. I mean, like, again, my car's pretty stock. It doesn't really have any horsepower mods, so I don't think that should really affect the car blowing up. I already got the block tested for the porous block. I took it to the dealership, they tested it, make sure the block isn't cracked, and it came back negative. So my block's not cracked, so I'm kind of chilling as of right now. I don't know, call me if I'm wrong. I don't know, can you get like porous block later on in the car's life, or like do the block comes, like, is that come like a factory default? Like, I don't think, unless you like, you know, I think you push too much like boost, and then like you could blow your block up, but like I don't think, like, basically the car's stock. If you don't touch it, like if you don't come with porous block from factory, I don't think you should get it later on. I don't know, I bet I sound boring, but I hope y'all get what I'm saying. Like, it's a factory default. It's not something that you could get later on. So since I don't got porous block, I think I should be straight with that problem. I don't got to deal with that. I got new turbos too. What's it called? My car got a, well, the previous owner, his turbos blew, so they put new turbos on it, and I guess they put it back up for sale, and I got it. So I technically got like new turbos. It's I think I got like, well, now it's probably got a lot of miles. Before I got it, it probably only had like 1,000 miles. Not even, I think like 800 miles. Now that I've owned it, I probably put maybe a couple thousand. Maybe, let me estimate. I do my oil change every 3,000. Damn, I've put miles on this car since I've had it. I do my oil change every 3,000. I've done 3 oil changes. Damn, 9,000 miles already? Oh my gosh. I mean, I really dated this car for real, so hopefully in a year I could do like a year update of the vehicle. I mean, I've had this car since, what, I think October-ish. October, November, December, January, February. I've had this car for 5 months. Wow. The time goes by fast, I'm telling you. 5 months. This car hasn't really given me any problems. It's giving me scares, like I said. Like, when you get a turbo vehicle, and like I have PTSD too, of like, damn, let me in. Yeah. Hold on, pink emblems. But I got PTSD from blowing engines up. So when you put that with a turbo vehicle, like, you get kind of like traumatized. So every little thing that you know could be causing a problem, and you know it starts doing that problem, you know, you start getting scared. So, but yeah, no, the car hasn't really given me no problems, just scares, that's it. Like in the wintertime, it'll throw a lot of smoke, like excessive smoke. I know, like, in the wintertime, yeah, it's normal for cars to throw smoke, but like, I'm talking about, like, it was puffing. My car was smoking, and, you know, out of normal, I was like, damn, that's a lot of smoke. Like, I know it's supposed to smoke, but not that much smoke. But yeah, long story short, I got it checked at the dealership. They said everything was cool. So, like I said, it just scares, but no, overall the car's been good. 5 months, chilling. I don't know if I should get a work beater. I've been contemplating. I need a work car, or I should just like daily this car, like, to work, school, errands, work, school, errands. I mean, my goal is I want to pay the car off before it hits 100,000. I owe a couple, not too much though. But yeah, no. I know that dude behind me. Crash into him. Yeah, but I'll let y'all go because I'm at school. But if y'all like this POV, I mean, it wasn't really much, but if y'all did like the video, like and subscribe. It do, you know, helps me out. it motivates me to make more videos for y'all. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll make another video tomorrow.